Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Bybit with account verification and two-factor authentication active. Once logged in, go straight to Profile and select API Management to create a new key. Make sure your session is secure and no pending security actions exist. These block API creation. Enter a clear label for the key so you can track use later. Don't waste time on theory. Start the creation flow now and prepare to choose permissions in the next step. You now pick permissions and security settings carefully. Select Read for monitoring, add trade if automated orders are needed, and avoid withdraw unless essential. Once done, whitelist IP addresses to limit access. Use static IPs from your server or VPN for consistency. Give the key a descriptive name, then confirm creation with two-factor authentication and any email approvals Bybit requires. After confirmation, the platform will reveal the API key and secret. You must copy the API key and secret right after generation because Bybit shows the secret only once. Save them in a hardware wallet or an encrypted vault and never paste into public tools. Once done, run a small test call or a tiny trade to verify permissions and connectivity. Make sure to rotate keys periodically and revoke any unused or compromised keys. If something goes wrong, first check IP whitelist and 2FA confirmations. Mismatches are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.